Wow. That's how he finds the fish, is when he sees all the birds diving in the ocean.
Of course. This is classic.
So his friend says, Pete, I just saw a bunch of birds diving in the ocean. He says, I already caught them. They're already over here at the dock.
Yo, this is amazing.
Crazy, huh?
Totally crazy.
I mean, he
also amazing.
And he's like, could you stay here and make sure the birds don't get into the fish while I'm gone? I was like, oh my gosh. Get the stick.
He tries to cover the fish, but he can't actually.
Exactly. Stay right here, babe.
Probably I should get some fish too.
Isn't it crazy?
Really crazy. Fighting for fish.
And then they're afraid of a towel.
Yeah. This is like Hitchcock.
Dad, what is a towel?
What's going on there?
Oh, it's a sea lion.
Right.
Where?
And then they're fighting over one little piece of something.
Okay, everybody.
Calm down.
Чё? Веселуха.